Friends, my name is Mary. I am glad you are watching the cartoon I made about the letter A. Memorize it and watch all my videos to learn the alphabet. In this hour, watch the cartoon about the brave astronaut Alex. Friends, today you will see the journey of astronaut Alex in space, where each letter of the alphabet has its own planet. In faraway fairy tale space, there's a planet called A. It's the very first letter of the alphabet. Look how beautiful it is.
Write a song about a boy astronaut named Alex. He flies into space and takes a picture of a space apple.
This is our brave and cheerful astronaut Alex. He's the commander of a space rocket.
Write a song about a boy astronaut named Alex.
Daring astronaut Alex is on his way to the letter A planet. Alex has a very fast rocket, and you see that the rocket has already arrived on planet A. Mission accomplished. Look at that. Alex is waving at you and saying hi. Look at the letter A. It's easy to remember. The letter A has two long sticks and one short stick. Inside Alex's space rocket, there is a supercomputer with artificial intelligence. It speaks in a female voice and gives Alex a new task.
Space Rocket Commander Alex. You have an important new mission. Right now, an apple-shaped asteroid, the smallest asteroid in existence, will be passing through space once every 1,000 years. You must see and photograph it for our space alphabet collection.
Alex, an astronaut dressed in a shiny spacesuit with a badge with the letter A on it, is flying in a rocket into space.
Friends, it's me, Rocket Commander Alex. We're going to meet space alligators and space ants. Their first letter is A. When you see them, shout A. Wow! I see space alligators in spacesuits. Alligator is spelled with an A. Let's shout out loud A. There's even ants from other planets flying around. Ant is spelled with an A. Let's shout loudly A. Friends, I see space aircraft flying. They're also named after the letter A. Let's shout loudly A. I know the airplanes want to be the first to fly to the asteroid apple and take pictures of it. They can't be allowed to do that. Our rocket should be the first to arrive, and I'll be the first to photograph the asteroid apple. Let's take the rocket further into space. I want to take a picture of the cosmos and the apple of the planet. Friends, I see a space apple. Look how beautiful it is. The apple also has the first letter A. Shout loudly A. Our fast rocket arrived first, and I can take a picture of the space apple. Friends, you made a space journey with me, and that means you are also winners. You were the first to see the space apple with me.
During this hour, we traveled through space and learned that the letter A begins with the following words: Alex, astronaut, airplane, alligator, ant, apple. And there's a supercomputer in a rocket with artificial intelligence called Alice.
Thank you for going on this amazing adventure with me. Keep learning the alphabet and I'll see you next time, and I'm giving you your first space assignment. You will have to watch this hour my video in which you will learn how to make me out of plasticine and write the letter A. Your parents and your friends will help you with this.
Let your parents, brother or sister help you make an Astronaut Alex out of plasticine. Friends, you can make such an Astronaut Alex from plasticine. The following video will teach you how to do it. And for you there is another cartoon about the letter A and the kind alligator Arnold.